The next item on your to-do list is to set your course details. Keep in mind that you will need to do this for each subject you teach. If you have 4 classes, you will need to do this for all 4 classes. To begin, be sure that you're on home, and from here, you're going to select the subject that you would like to change the course details for. I'm going to choose my reading class. You'll then need to get to settings. In order to get to settings, we're going to click Manage Subject. Settings should be the default that opens here. If for some reason it's not, then you can scroll down to the bottom of the subject navigation to select Settings. The first tab is your course details. There are a few things that we are going to change here in the course details. The first is going to be our subject card. This is what your students see on their Canvas home. When you create your card, you want to make sure that there is something designating the subject. You want to make it easy for your students to identify the class. I used Canva to create my subject card. In your presentation, there is a link for templates of subject cards. You are welcome to use those, edit, change, however you like. Definitely is not a requirement, but they are there if you would like. All right, so let's begin. We're going to click Choose Image. We're going to upload our image. Make sure you know where you saved your images. Select my Canvas card. And this is what my students will see on their Canvas home to select the class. The next thing we're going to look at is the banner. The banner is what appears on the home page of each subject. So again, I used Canva to create mine, and I also have a set of banners linked in the presentation for you to use if you wish. So we will do this the exact same way. Choose your image, upload the image, and I'm going to add my banner. All right. The next item we're going to look at is the color. The color you select is important because when assignments are on your calendar as well as your student's calendar, the color you choose here will be reflected there. If you teach more than one subject, you do want to designate a different color for each course. If you team teach, you want to make sure you and your partner are using different colors, because if all of the assignments on the calendar are the same color, students will not be able to easily identify which assignment is which subject. So we want to make it as easy for our students as possible. So here I am in my reading class. I'm going to select purple. So anything on their student's calendar will be in purple for my reading class. The last thing we're going to look at in our course details is the friendly name. The friendly name will be what your students actually see on the course card. In Classic Canvas, students have control over the color that they choose and the name that they see themselves. In Canvas for Elementary, the teacher has control of that. So whatever you type here will be what is on the course card for your students to see. Because we all know the Skyward class title will not always mean anything to your students. Usually has lots of extra numbers and things that they really don't need to see. So here, you can type in whatever you like. And this will be what shows up on my course card. Once you have completed your card, your banner, your color, and added a friendly name, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and click Update Course Details. All right. Let's go back and look at the changes that we made. Let's go home. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Here is my course card that I just created. Notice my name, the friendly name has changed. So again, you can use whatever you would like to go there. Let's open up your course. And now my banner is here. So keep in mind again that you do need to repeat this process for every subject that you teach.